Breaking news coming in. Gadkari is batted for handing out more licenses for vaccine manufacturing. He says, and I quote, if vaccine demand is more than supply, it creates a problem. Instead of one, let 10 more companies be given the license for vaccine manufacturing. Let them supply in the country, and later, if there's a surplus, they may export, unquote.
मेरे मनसुख भाई से भी अनुरोध है, आप सबसे है कि यहाँ जब किसी बात की डिमांड ज़्यादा होती है और सप्लाई कम होता है तो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होता है। तो ये वैक्सीन वाली कंपनी एक के बजाय 10 लोगों को लाइसेंस दे और रॉयल्टी भी ले, कोई सेवाभावी करके ना करे। और जैसे मैंने ये दवाइयाँ न होने वाली तैयार कर ली, तो वैक्सीन का प्रोडक्शन अगर 10 जगह खुल जाएगा, जैसे हापकिन को इम्पोर्टेंस मिला है, तो मनसुख भाई मेरा अनुरोध है कि आप हर राज्य में 2-2, 3-3 लेबोरेटरी ऑलरेडी है। मेरी जानकारी है कि उनकी क्षमता भी है और उनके पास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी है। फार्मूला देकर इनका उनके साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन करके अगर ये संख्या बढ़ाएंगे तो पहले उनको कहिए देश में दीजिए, बाद में ज़्यादा होगा तो एक्सपोर्ट करिए। तो मुझे लगता है ये तुरंत 15 दिन 20 दिन में हो सकता है। तो थोड़ा ये तो मेरे अंदर का विषय नहीं है, आप अनायसे दिल्ली में है, तो ये जो वैक्सीन का प्रॉब्लम है अगर इसमें सुलझाने में अगर आपको उचित लगे तो इसका जरूर विचार करिए।
Rahul Srivastava reporting from Delhi is now joining us for the very latest. Rahul, it's a very sound advice coming in, going on to say that if the demand is more than supply, it is a problem. And that's exactly what we're facing in our country right now. So if more companies can be given the license for manufacturing, you up the supply. And then when you have a surplus, you go ahead and you export. And it's very sound advice coming in from Nitin Gadkari.
Jyoti, there is a backdrop to it. If you recall, Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, several Congress leaders and others have already come out with this suggestion that can the licenses, the candidates which are two manufacturers, manufacturing be shared with the formula sharing so that to broad base the manufacturing so that larger numbers can start coming into the government's kitty, both the states and the center, so that the vaccination exercise can be ramped up manyfold. Yesterday, the Prime Minister gave a suggestion that the state should be giving a 15-day schedule for vaccination. Now, what is really happening is, with several political parties already pitching in for broad-basing the manufacturing of the two Indian vaccine candidates, it seems the BJP and the RSS Parivar has started its own exercise. Now, Mr. Gadkari was speaking at a meet of Vice Chancellors meeting the Transport Minister, Mr. Gadkari, organized by the Swadeshi Jagran Manch, which is an RSS affiliate. Now, this RSS affiliate, Swadeshi Jagran Manch, is carrying out a nationwide signature campaign that vaccine manufacturers should let go all the IPR and other issues and share the vaccine formula with Indian manufacturers so that manufacturing can be ramped up. And Nitin Gadkari was speaking in that. So what one can say is that this does not seem like an innocuous statement from Mr. Gadkari, but perhaps the BJP and the RSS Parivar are trying to build a generic opinion and perception that the party and the organization is working for a formula in which vaccination manufacture can be broad-based. I think is just perhaps a sign of things to come.
No, but Rahul, one is building up that kind of a perception coming in from all the netas of the BJP and of course advice coming in from the RSS as well. But point is that when there is such kind of advice which is beneficial in larger public interest, how well can India materialize and when will India materialize is the big question.
Yes, Chetty, it's a very complex issue. You see, IPRs and property rights and patents are very, very complex global issues. If you see against Pfizer and several other international vaccines, already countries like India and South Africa have tried to make out a case that the patent payments should be waived off for larger human goods. In fact, the Biden administration in America has already in principle said that it is something which can be looked into. And the larger debate now lies in the WTO. As far as the Indian domestic manufacturer is concerned, one does not know that what are the complexities of the contracts which have been entered in terms of buying, Indian government buying vaccines from them. Because in case that is done, India is known as a vaccine manufacturing hub in the world. So what is the problem that India, which is a vaccine manufacturing hub of the world, is unable to produce commensurate number of vaccines for its own citizens? The target, sometimes, Chetty, I'd like to tell you, by the Department of Biotechnology last year, after a series of meetings in September and October, was 2.5 billion doses by July this year. Now, that's nowhere in sight. The goalpost seems to have shifted with Mr. Mandavia, who is a chemical fertilizer minister and handles pharmaceuticals. In this meeting only with Mr. Nitin Gadkari, talking about how by December there might be enough for the people in the country. So we are already talking about a 6-month, 5-month delay. And that's why this suggestion floated by the opposition parties now is finding traction among the RSS and the BJP. One hopes the government will start negotiating. One will have to wait and see what eventually emerges from it.
Yes, absolutely. Hold on right there, Rahul. We'll come back to you for more on this particular story. In the meanwhile, we've got more news coming in.